Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use green screen and chroma key on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select the green screen button over here. There's one that's like an overlay and one you can put the video inside of that video. If that makes sense. Like this one is more of like an overlay where you can place it on top of like videos. I mean, it's mostly like that, like this person too. So go to remove background, select chroma key and select the color picker. Select the green area of the green screen and you're going to adjust the intensity like here. You're also going to adjust the shadow a little bit if you'd like to. It's not super accurate. You can feather it up, but it's gonna take the like pro version to do that. Same with the green screen that looks like this. Go here, chroma key, select the color picker, select the green and adjust the intensity a little bit, not the sensitivity, sorry. And you're just going to place a video underneath that. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Also, if you like wear like a full-on green screen suit behind a green screen and like I guess like hold like an item, it will look like it's floating. So try that out yourself and just edit it in CapCut PC. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.